Fox Sports Cards in beautiful downtown Marion, Illinois. We finished up with the trade night. Seen a lot of great cards open up tonight. And I have a wonderful Christmas gift here. 2008-2009 basketball NBA Exquisite collection. One of the, let's be honest, high-end basketball product of the year.
Yeah.
We all know what we're looking for here.
That's right.
Some great stuff.
Yep.
A Pujols rookie?
We've seen a Kobe come out of
Your very
Yeah.
John
Sweet
Elway
Spot
autograph.
tonight.
Yeah, out of a sweet spot. Yeah.
It'd be nice if maybe he was in here. Maybe some.
A Clint Centum?
Nice, yeah.
Derrick Rose rookie.
That'd be nice too, yeah. Oh, this is the one where
Yes.
we find out right away.
We're pretty well spread out, kiddos, here.
Okay.
Oh.
And we're pretty well spread out here. So, we're just going to show. Our rookie. Oh, man, those are beautiful cards.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, that's kind of neat.
Courtney Lee, number to 225.
Cool.
On-card autograph with the patch. Do the center card, the base, Joe Johnson, numbered to 125.
Okay. Nice bag.
Very nice Joe Johnson box.
There you go.
Number 9 of 10.
Nice patch.
3-colored. Scripted swatches, very
cool.
nice.
Wow, nice.
Richard Jefferson, numbered 13 of 25.
That's pretty cool.
Autograph right in the center of the swatch.
Right on an eye, it looks like. Maybe
Yeah.
Jefferson.
Oh, wow.
Crazy.
Yeah. Very cool.
And I'm happy with that. John Havlicek, autograph on the card, 16 of 35.
Sweetness. Look at
Oh,
that.
wow.
Yeah. Guy who knows how to sign. A lot of ink. Very legible.
Wow.
That's why you open up
Nice.
Exquisite. Scripted swatches, veterans, rookies.
Got it all.
Got it all.
Swatchy goodness.